How to buy Robux with Apple Pay. So here is how to buy your Robux with Apple Pay. So let's get started with the tutorial. So this is my MacBook. I'm currently using MacBook for the Apple Pay. All you have to do is go to the Roblox account and make sure you are logged into the Roblox. And once inside the Roblox, you can simply see Robux option available at the top tab. All you have to do is tap on the Robux and navigate to the Robux site. Once you are there, you will get to see the list of Rubik's option available. All you have to do is scroll down and pick one and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the checkout page where you will have to use Apple Pay. Now from here, all you have to do is tap on the other option available there. Once you tap on the other, simply tap on the Apple Pay and make sure that Apple Pay is set up on a device. I do not have Apple Pay on my device, so I cannot go further. But if you tap on the other, if you already have Apple Pay logged into your device, then you will get to see that. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.